Hi everyone, welcome back to Shireen's Art Corner. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys a new DIY using Dollar Tree items. I picked up this phone stand from the Dollar Tree. They come in 3 different designs, and I picked a few of them up, and I wanted to show you how to transform these and customize them to make them your own. Basically, they come in 2 pieces. They are plastic and they're printed on one side, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove that print and give you guys a couple of ways to change them up and make them your own. Let's get started. Okay, so for the first part, we're going to need some nail polish remover, a coin, and a rag or paper towel, and of course the phone stands we picked up at the Dollar Tree. To assemble, basically just line up the notches and slide it in, and there you have it. And then it's printed on the back side, so that's where we're going to pour the nail polish remover. So you want to let that sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and once you do, you can just take your coin and gently start rubbing off the print. And if you find that it's a little bit hard to rub off, then just add a little bit more of the acetone and let it sit for another couple minutes. I find that the darker red to black ink that's on these plastics takes a little bit longer and needs a little bit more extra rubbing, but otherwise it should come off fairly easily, as you can see. Just don't rub it too hard, you don't want to scratch up the plastic. And then as you go, just start removing the residue using your paper towel or rag. Alright guys, we are just about done here. As you can see, there's a lot of the print residue left over. So what you can do is just take a little bit more of the nail polish remover on your rag and just wipe it down. The other thing I found was helpful is just to add some liquid soap and run it under the water for a minute or so, and towel dry it clean, and it usually does the trick. So try that, guys. So basically I just added some liquid soap and ran it under water. There's still some residue on here, but that's okay. I'm going to be covering that up with some reversible sequin, and I'll show you how to do that. Here's one that I previously did using image transfer technique. I did the image transfer technique on here because it's plastic, it is transparent, so I spray painted the back of it first with gold and then with white on top of that, and then I added a hair tie at the bottom as a grip. So for this one, I've also other examples of way to use this is I picked up these Dollar Tree stickers, and I'll show you an example, but one that I really wanted to try was this reversible sequence and kind of make a mermaid sequin phone holder. So I've kind of already started taking it apart, but I wanted to show it on video as well. You want to be careful not to cut the white fabric part of it. Just remove the trim using the black thread and just cut that out. And once you do that, we're ready to get started on the next part. Alright guys, so we are ready to apply the sequin to the plastic piece, but just make sure that you attach it from on top of the notch. Otherwise the other piece won't fit in. So just basically right there is where you're going to glue this onto the plastic. My apologies in advance because you can't see the bottom part of this video. I'm sorry, my camera wasn't aligned correctly, but basically I'm going to line up the bottom part of this fabric right above the notch on the plastic phone stand piece, and I'm going to use a Sharpie marker to draw a line where I'm going to cut it, but I'm going to actually cut it up a little bit above that because I feel like I need a little bit more overlap at the top. And so once you do that, you're going to use the glue gun to apply the fabric to the plastic piece. Alright, so for the two flaps in the back, I'm just going to cut the excess off right up into the top of the plastic, and then just add a little bit more of the hot glue to glue the ends down. And then for the top part, I'm just going to trim a little bit of the corners, and then apply hot glue and fold it over like envelope. Alright, so now there's one seam in the back that I didn't like, so I have some elastic pink ribbon. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and apply that to the back to kind of give it a finished look. But you don't have to, but you can use anything really. This is just what I had on hand. Alright, and now we're done. I think it turned out really nice. Just to finish it off, I'm going to use a little bit of that elastic. Guys, here is a quick DIY using stickers from the Dollar Tree. You can add some pearl stickers, butterfly stickers, and for this example I'm going to be using these owl stickers. Basically for the stickers, I'm just going to apply them to the front side of the phone stand. And this is a quick way of personalizing a phone stand in a hurry. And then I'm just going to use some elastic ribbon to the bottom part just to give it a finished look, and that's it. This is a quick and easy way to customize your own phone stands. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys soon.